red pine. This is a medium-sized to large tree with dark green needles and orange-red to reddish brown markings. Planted as an ornamental or shade tree, its wood is pale red, light hard and very close grained. Can be used for general construction, millwork, and pulpwood. The seeds are eaten by songbirds, turkey, and mice.
The thing that we often will see red pine as a planted specimen, these are native. These are native. There's a shale ridge that goes across here and kind of over the mountain. It dries quickly, and that's ideal for red pine, for the native red pine that we have here. Pine would really like to have about 3 feet of sandy soil, and we don't have 3 feet of sandy soil in the whole county. But
we have 12 inches.
these, we'll keep these. This stand that we're walking through, just a little bit of history. This was harvested before Ed purchased the property here, and it was just kind of neat because we marked the timber, and the goal of the timber sale was to release as much red oak as we could, and there's quite a bit of the promise is quite good. We're walking through a 50-acre block, then there's a 40-acre block, and a 30-acre block. We'll see much of that, or not much of it. We'll see a little bit of that. But the typical harvesting history in this area was always to leave hemlock because it didn't have much value, or they would hold the hemlock for the purpose of building a barn when the barn burned or whatever. But as a result, hemlock is allelopathic. We actually will have a hemlock. But this whole forest is affected by an ever-increasing amount of hemlock. And the timber sale and TSI work that has been done since Ed bought the property, trying to reverse that so that we can move earlier into a period of succession that would be maple and oak. So much for the red pine. Any question on the red pine?